I'm going to be showing you how to speed up or slow down footage by using time remapping in After Effects. The link to the footage file is in the description. Alright, so we are in After Effects right now, and we have our car drift clip. There are two ways to apply time remapping to footage. First one. Click on Layer. Go to Time and select Enable Time Remapping. Second one. Right-click on your video file. Go into Time and click Enable Time Remapping. This will create two keyframes in your video layer. So, this first keyframe indicates the beginning of the video, and then the last keyframe indicates the end of the video. Select the last keyframe of the footage and drag it closer to the first keyframe. Now you can see footage speed is increased. Now we have to slow down our footage files. So select the last keyframe and drag it to the right side. Now you can see footage speed is decreased. Now if you want to slow down the sum portion of footage, move the playhead to any position from that you want a slow motion effect in footage. Add two new keyframes as shown in the video. Select the right side of a new keyframe and drag towards the right side. Now you can see a slow motion effect is generated in your desired position. Now we will speed up some portions of footage. Move the playhead as shown in the video and add the keyframe. Select the new added keyframe and drag it closer towards the previous keyframe. Now you can see footage speed is increased. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment box. If you liked my video, then hit like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification on every new video on my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box.